In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of discounts and special offers. Whether you're a student, part of a startup, or simply keeping an eye out for worthy deals. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of these opportunities to save on tools like Webflow. First up, attention all students. If you're currently enrolled in school, you're in luck. You can apply for a student discount by heading over to the Webflow Classroom application. It's a fairly straightforward process. You'll need to use your school-issued email address to sign up. This ensures they recognize you as a legitimate student. Additionally, you'll be required to provide proof of your enrollment. This could be in the form of a student ID or an enrollment letter. Once everything's verified, you might even qualify for a free annual CMS site plan. That means an entire year of enhanced capabilities without reaching into your pocket. Now, for all the budding entrepreneurs out there working with startups, there's something specifically tailored for you too. Webflow understands that startups often operate with limited budgets, so they offer a startup discount that you can apply for via the Webflow startup application page. The application will prompt you for details related to your startup, so make sure you have information about your business handy. This can include your business model, the stage of your startup, and even projections. It's an excellent way to access the tools you need without putting financial strain on your young business. For those of you embracing the digital classroom, especially if you're enrolled in an online course, there's another option. While the process might sound a bit technical, it's really simple when you break it down. Approved online courses often have professors who can facilitate this discount for you. All you need is a unique link provided by your instructor. The rest is as simple as clicking through and following the steps. Now, beyond the direct academic and professional affiliations, there's always the general pursuit of savings that everyone likes to partake in. Have you thought about subscribing to newsletters? While it might seem like just another email crowding your inbox, newsletters from companies like Webflow can be treasure troves of exclusive offers and updates. It's where you'll often hear first about upcoming promotions or new discounts. And speaking of staying updated, don't forget about social media. Following your favorite companies on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook keeps you in the loop about flash sales or special offers. Plus, many brands launch unique promotions and contests just for their social followers. Lastly, one of the most opportunistic times for discounts is during special events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Sales during these events can provide you with substantial savings, sometimes offering discounts that aren't available at any other time of the year. Make a note in your calendar to check in with Webflow during these peak sales periods. So whether you're a student, launching a startup, or simply a savvy shopper, these strategies should arm you with the tools to secure fantastic deals. Remember, savings are just a smart application or click away.